Winning the Inspire Award meant a lot to me because I hadn't really ever achieved much in life, and I wasn't sure about going into learning and studying, but I did, and it boosted my self-esteem and my confidence. And winning that award it made me feel proud about something for the first time in my life. I've just achieved a level 5 management in health and social care, which helps with my job. I'm the manager of Victory Outreach UK Women's Home. It's a rehab home where they can pick up their self-esteem, their self-worth through learning, through our programme that we offer. And it's just amazing to see people's lives completely transformed. And I wouldn't be able to do it if I hadn't have built my self-confidence, my self-esteem. Without learning, I wouldn't be where I am today. It gives you a purpose in life, and the more you learn, the more you want to learn. And it boosts your self-confidence, self-esteem, helps you to believe in yourself, and it gives you vision for your future. We can all start somewhere.
Winning the Inspire Award meant everything to me. It gave me new opportunities, it raised my self-esteem, it opened doors for me, it gave me self-confidence, it gave me everything, to be honest with you. I was 49 years of age, working in the steelworks. One door closed, I saw it as a new opportunity. Since winning the award, I went back to Enillwyr University, where I did a degree in Welsh, teaching Welsh as a second language. Then I taught Welsh in a Catholic school for 6 years. My present job is an employability tutor. You don't know what you are until you try. Every human being is full of potential. Go for it. You'll never know what you're capable of achieving.
I left school without any qualifications, and at the age of 28 I embarked on my first degree. After that I sat my English, Maths and Science GCSEs, and then I also started another degree in primary education to become a qualified school teacher. Inspire Award for me it was the first time I actually sat down and thought, wow, look what I've achieved. After graduating, started work as a primary school teacher back at Monkton School. In my class, I've introduced GCSEs for the first time with my Gypsy traveller children. So I've got 2 children sit in English GCSE, and then I've got hopefully 7 children sit in English and Maths GCSE next year. And then I hope to bring in science so that we cover the core subjects, so that they get a chance to sit GCSEs as their peers do in secondary school. Sometimes it just takes the right person to give you that little bit of confidence to put you on that first course. I sat GCSEs alongside parents that I was enticing to come on courses, and I think they sat and thought, well, you know, she's no different to me. If she can do it, I can do it, and I know I've inspired other learners, and that's massive. That's, you know, I've changed other people's lives as adult education has changed my life.
To me at the time it was huge, it was massive. It'd taken a lot to sort of get on the OU course, and I'd been on it for 3 years when I won, and it was so empowering. I'd just got over cancer. It made me look at my whole life and changed the way I was. I always wanted to work with learning difficulties, and then I started up this charity. We opened the Vale Parent Child Homework Support Club in August 2012, where we wanted to help kids with learning difficulties. We started out with 2 children, but also alongside that we wanted to inspire and empower their parents to do some sort of learning. We now have 20 odd students with the Open University, plus 40 other parents doing a range of courses, from short courses to longer courses, catering to brickwork, and we have 130 children in the learning club. So, and we now have charity status, which is even better. It's life-changing. It's changed my life, and if you want to change your life, go for it. Just go for it. It's worth every second.
I think I won the award in 2005 for Adult Learner of the Year for Wales for FE. It was nice. It was a pleasant surprise. It was nice to get the recognition for all the hard work that I put in. Since winning the award, I've continued my professional development with my employers and continued to develop my sign language skills, and I've also become a qualified tutor in the meantime. I think people of a certain generation are marked of what they achieved in school. I think that's all they're capable of achieving, but it's not. Anyone can achieve if they put in the hard work. You reap what you sow, you get the rewards for the effort that you put in. Definitely give it a try. It's difficult sometimes with confidence, but if you can get the confidence to walk through the door on the first time, whatever the course may be, then you're halfway there really.